Okay, so we got a Takamine ec340c coming in for pro setup. Other than that, it needs a bit of cleaning. The tuners also needs to be changed out, so I recommended Gotoh locking tuners. Apart from that, the saddle, it has a groove in it due to the strings over the years. It actually dug up into the saddle itself, so I cleaned it out, sanded it down, and it's good to go. Okay, enjoy for the rest of the video. I see you at the end. Bye. So we got new Gotoh tuners. These are locking Magnum tuners. All good. And we got a custom bone nut here. Other than that, the fret wires and the fretboard is also clean and oiled. So that one is deep cleaning. Actually, there's a lot of grime. Other than that, I clean and polish the front and back and sides. For the saddle, I wasn't able to actually change it out because of the design itself. It's quite hard to come by. The under saddle has a housing that actually slots in the saddle, so it's not like a conventional style under saddle pickups for the saddle slots. So yeah, I had to actually just what I did is I just clean up the surfaces because previously the string actually dug into the saddle itself, making a groove. So I had to like clean it up a bit. So right now it plays quite well. I'm going to quickly just retune again because this is new strings. Okay, all good. I see you soon. Let me know when you want to pick it up. Bye. Okay, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. If you need my help, if you need the work, 8418-9951. See you soon. Bye.